Hey guys, we are in my neighbor's garage looking at a Craftsman 139.53985DM, of course. So, until they. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's in the way. Isn't it?
We have, so it's got the protection alarm, you know, so we're trying to go down when it sends clean.
Oh.
So it turned off. Here, we can do it from here.
Alright, here we go. Now you can just hit the enter button, that works. This is my first Craftsman 139.539.85DM. Just happened. Did you just reverse it? I want it to fully work. I don't know what it's doing. No.
I pushed the button again, but see, there's an electric eye there. So if it breaks the electric eye,
Okay.
then it won't. So here, I'll start it down.
I just want to see it fully move.
Fully moved? Okay. There it goes.
Okay, here we go. Again, my first Craftsman 139.539.85D right here. Here it is. And then hear a big thud. Runs back up. The button. I've never seen a Craftsman 85DM 139.539.
Are they rare?
No, they're real. Oh, and it has a single spring.
Yeah, it has a big spring on it.
Yeah, which will be, I will get a double spring for this door. Right, that's it. Bye.